Decomposing or Horizontal Addition, Day 5. Grab something to work on and let's get started. Today we're going to practice doing some larger numbers, some 3-digit numbers. It's just as fun, so let's get started. We have 146 plus 55. Now we've always put our tens with our tens, our ones with our ones. But as you look, I have a 100 that's all by itself, and there's not a 100 over here. So we're just going to bring that 100 down by itself because there's not another 100 to put it with. So now let's put our tens with our tens. So 40 plus 50 equals 90. And our ones with our ones. So 6 plus 5 equals 11, which is 10 plus 1. Combine your like terms together, which is 90 plus 10 equals partners to 100, and 100 plus 100 equals 200, plus 1 equals 201. Make sure you leave that 0 there because there aren't any 10s, but we need to make sure we put a 0 there to show there are 0 10s. All right, 174 plus 182. Now that we have hundreds, we need to make sure that we spread our lines out a little bit. So 100 plus 100. Notice we put our hundreds with our hundreds, which equals 200. Now our tens with our tens. So 80 plus 70. Well, 70's partner is 30, and there's an extra 50 in there. So 70 plus 30 equals 100 plus the extra 50. And then put your ones with your ones. So 4 plus 2 equals 6. Combine your like terms together. 200 plus 100 equals 300, plus 50 plus 6 equals 356. Great job. You'll notice that it's not any harder to do hundreds. We just have to be more neat. We need to make sure that we leave room between the numbers down here so they're all spread out. We don't want them so scrunched together you can't read them. That's what makes 3-digit tricky, is just writing it neatly. Let's try another one. 244 plus 39. Notice there's hundreds over here, but there are no hundreds there. So just bring the 200 straight down. Now add your 50s, or add your 10s. So 40 plus 30 equals 70. And now add your ones. 4 plus 9 equals 13, which is 10 plus 3. So 200 plus 70 plus 10 plus 3. Combine your like terms, which is 70 plus 10 equals 80, and we can see the answer is 283. Great job. Again, hundreds aren't harder. You just have to write more neatly. 80. Next one, 184 plus 246. Put your hundreds with your hundreds. 100 plus 200 equals 300. Notice I'm really good about bringing it all the way over. And now 80 plus 40. Well, 80's partner is 20 to get to 100, plus an extra 20. And then 4 plus 6 equals 10. So 300 plus 100 equals 400. And 20 plus 10 equals 30. So 430. That's a great answer. 194 plus 194. Pause the video and try this one on your own. All right. 100 plus 100 equals 200. Notice how I came all the way to the left-hand side, so my numbers are not all squished together. 90 plus 90, I take that in the middle. Well, 90 needs a 10 to get to 100, and there's an extra 80. So plus 100 plus 80. Because 90 plus 90 equals 180. And then 4 plus 4. Notice I come all the way to the right-hand side, equals 8. Combine your like terms. 200 plus 100 equals 300. Plus 80 plus 8 equals 388. Great job with this horizontal, kids. Keep practicing. I really think it will be one of your favorite strategies because you just write the equation and can quickly solve it. Great job. Keep practicing.